One day they went picking flowers and walked until finally they were lost. Now there was a mean old witch.
Boy, what corn.
Yeah, why don't we take a walk in the woods?
And we can play Hansel and Gretel.
Ja, Knothead, und you will be Hansel now.
Ja, Splinter, und you will be Gretel.
Ja.
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 Ja, good.
How do we get lost, Knothead?
It's easy. We just cover our eyes like this, and we just wander around.
Are we lost yet?
No, not yet.
Woodpeckers. Mama do, baby loves shortening, shortening, do 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 do. Going up, gingerbread house, top floor.
Oh, not that old routine.
We can go along with it. Remember now, I'll be Hansel.
And I'll be Gretel.
Correction, you be lunch and you be dinner.
That woodpecker pot pie sounds good. Take one woodpecker, that's me, add one carrot, one radish.
Radish, coming up.
I never could eat radishes.
I think we should try some
Here, need a match? Sure you got him this time?
Yeah, I'll show you. I'm in there. A Maryland calendar. What a snack.
Hello, gas company? I refuse to pay my bill. You say you'll shut off the gas immediately? Good. Ow! Ooh, ooh, ow, 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 ooh!
You know, I don't believe those birds are done.
Salt. Okay, I give up. You got salt on my tail. That's the way it goes. 1 minute you're free as a bird.
Next thing you know, somebody put salt on your tail, and...
on a cracker.
One cracker coming up.
And that's the end of the story. Hansel and Gretel lived happily ever after.
Hey, what happened to the last firecracker?